Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna show how to loop over a list using the while loop. I'm gonna introduce the while loop, but it's going to be a very simple video so you guys don't get overwhelmed. So let's start by creating list. So I have this numbers list. If I type numbers, I'm gonna see that this is a list. Okay. So the while loop is a different one from the for loop, because the for loop you can use to generate numbers with the range function. Okay, so but the while loop is a little bit different. So let's use the while loop to iterate over this list. So while numbers, you can do this. We're gonna print while I think number in numbers. Let's try this out. Yeah, it doesn't work. So but you guys can do it. What you guys can do is this. Okay, so you guys can do while. Actually, we need to declare if our count will be equal 0 while count is lower than the length of numbers. We're gonna increment count plus 1, so actually plus equal 1, and let's print numbers, and we can see index to show. So let's break it down what you're doing here. So we start by count is equal 0. Okay, so in the first iteration we're gonna print the first number. So what you're saying here is that while count, which is 0, while 0 is less or lower than the length of numbers list. So the numbers list is equal 10. So while 0 of this variable it is called sentinel. This is a sentinel variable. So in the first iteration will be equal 0. So 0 lower than 10. So we do print numbers. This is an index. Okay, so the first index will be 0. So we print the first number, and after that we increment the count sentinel or variable. Okay, so this now is equal 1. So we go back 1 lower than 10. We print the numbers index 1, so the second number or the number 1. We increment again, and we do this over and over till we we ended up with the count variable equal 10. So 10 is not lower than 10. So we break the code, or you jump over this function. So let's execute, and that's the output. Okay, so that you guys can use to iterate over a list. So I was trying this, but actually I don't think that is a loop that does this, but I forgot how to do that. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you, so you can take something out of this. Okay, so thanks again, and see you guys next time.